Hi, welcome to my podcast, Talking Travel with Wendy. I travel the globe interviewing really cool people in small hospitality and tourism businesses. Join me each week as I discover and share something or someone new with you. You can find more at www.travelwithwendy.net. And remember, it's always an adventure when you travel with Wendy. Hi, everybody. This past week, I returned to Sandcastle on the Beach in St. Croix, U.S. Virgin Islands. I went for some rest, relaxation, restoration, and to check in on all my friends. Resort owners Chris Richardson and Ted Bidwell of Sandcastles on the Beach. They are exemplary hosts. If you haven't seen my YouTube videos or heard my podcast from my visit in 2021, you are missing out. This adults-only resort in St. Croix is unique and special to me. They have the best beach and sunsets on the island, and it also provides such a peaceful rest for the most restless of hearts. My friends have certainly been busy since 2021. I wasn't able to meet Ted on my last visit. He was still flying the friendly skies. After a few greetings and hugs, they gave me a grand tour of their newly renovated beachfront villas and their brand new Dolphin Villa. The beachfront villas are practically the size of an apartment with a great living room area, full kitchen, huge bathroom, and now they have this secluded, wonderful sitting area outdoors. It has a hammock and a private outdoor shower. This is another great place to grab some sleep with your book or just chill in solitude. John and I were lucky enough to stay in a beachfront villa just 10 steps away from the beach. We met all of our neighbors too, who were from Michigan, Kansas, and DC. They equally loved their spaces too, and we all sat on the patio watching sunsets and chatting. The new Dolphin Villa is a 2 full bedroom, 2 bath unit that is impeccably decorated, has a full kitchen, a screened-in porch, and also is within steps of the restaurant and beach. It's a little oasis with a bunch of amenities close by. All their rooms can be viewed on their website through a 360-degree cam, so you can see what you're getting before you book. There are 26 rooms and 10 different room types. It truly is outfitted to each traveler style. Chris and Ted also partner with local artists, and you can really enjoy their commissioned pieces by Barbara Gelardi. The Beachside Cafe is a very special restaurant located right on the resort property and has really amazing views. The alfresco menu is available for lunch, dinner, and brunch on the weekends. One of my favorite dishes is the pineapple glazed rum cake. It's made locally and very delicious. They use island rum for sure. The staff at the restaurant are as warm and welcoming as the summer breeze that blows through it. I met Miss B, who is a hostess and server with a big smile. I was able to grab a few minutes of her time. So I'm here with B.
Hi, nice to meet you guys.
And we are in the cafe.
Sandcastle Beachside Cafe.
Yes. So tell me a little bit about the menu and...
Well, we have Monday to Friday, we do lunch from 11 to 3. Saturday and Sundays is brunch from 10 to 3. We hear amazing things once it comes to almost everything. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, but our brunch, everyone loves our brunch. And it's Saturdays and Sundays, and it's usually busy and
Pretty full.
But we have fun. This is a wonderful place to be. The beach is amazing.
Yeah.
The people here are amazing. The owners, Chris and Ted, they're wonderful. As you can see, the beach is right behind.
It's right there.
So a little bit.
And how long have you been here?
I've been working here for 3 years, going on 4. February 20th of next year, I'll be here 4 whole years.
Oh, wow.
Yes, so it's amazing.
Okay.
I'm not going nowhere. I'm staying right here.
So my first visit was in 21.
Okay,
Yeah,
good.
so, yeah, right after
Did you like it?
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
totally.
this is a wonderful place, guys. It's amazing. The atmosphere is amazing. All the servers are amazing. We have wonderful hosts on different days. Like I said, the owners, everybody's wonderful here. This is a place where you would come, have fun, eat, drink, go home, and then come back again next week.
Thanks, B.
You're welcome. Bye, guys. Bye.
So what's included at Sandcastle on the Beach? There are no completely all-inclusive resorts on St. Croix, but Sandcastle on the Beach does include a great deal in your stay. They have excellent parking just across the street from the resort, and you'll want to rent a car when you're visiting the island. They also let you borrow some snorkel equipment and gear and kayaks for single or double, and I was able to get a few shots of John and I while taking one out. I want to thank today's sponsors. Go to stcroix.com where you can find a list of 100 things to do on St. Croix. From adventures to attractions, romance, food, and tours, you'll see what experiences await you on St. Croix. Begin at gotostcroix.com/100 and then schedule a travel consultation with me today. Links are in the podcast description. So when to visit St. Croix? As a travel advisor, I get asked this question quite a bit. When is the best time to visit the Caribbean? Well, the answer is anytime, really. It is a year-round destination, but yes, there are higher chances of storms at certain times of the year. But it's been global warming for a while, so truly, storms could happen at any time. We visited this year during storm season in August, and it was absolutely lovely. There were low crowds, availability for rental cars, and dinner reservations. While it was sweltering in Alabama, we were loving it in the 80s in St. Croix. St. Croix is also great because it's a U.S. Virgin Island, which means #no passport required. Although having one does make traveling easier, it is not required. You just need a license or a legal U.S. ID. Next up, how to get to St. Croix. Well, you'll be happy to know that Delta now offers a weekly flight from Atlanta direct to St. Croix. Yes, it's now once a week, so you're going to have to stay a whole week in order to get home. American Airlines flies daily, and so does Spirit from Fort Lauderdale, so that's another option as well. So whether you decide to stay a few days or a week or even longer, there's definitely options. Need more help planning a getaway? Schedule a private travel consultation with me today. I'll put the links in the description below. So here's why people choose Sandcastle on the beach over and over again. It truly is the service and the staff. Locals and visitors alike will comment on how positive and helpful everyone is on the property and eager to make your stay peaceful and restful. By the end of the week, we were walking around the property, hey and good morning to everyone. I found out almost everyone's name, and yeah, they knew mine too. I'm not kind of quiet that way. From the front desk, you're greeted by Michelle, Barbara, and Liz. And then on the beach, it was Jordan, Aaron, and Brad, who generously grabbed our drinks from the barkeep, Miss KT, or a kayak or snorkel equipment. Yes, it is definitely a different experience at Sandcastle on the beach. The staff gets to know you and vice versa. There's a culture of family and caring that separates this resort from some of the cookie-cutter resorts on other islands in the Caribbean. When you pair that with the excellence of design and decor, the natural beauty, the beach, and the attention to detail, it is the logical choice when choosing a relaxing beach getaway. I was able to sit down with Chris and Ted for a brief interview about all the changes and updates to the resort. Here's a little bite from that interview. Be sure to see more in my blog or my upcoming blog released soon. Okay, so the restaurant.
Yes, the Beachside Cafe.
Thank you.
We're open 7 days a week. On Monday through Friday, we open at 11 for lunch. We serve till 3. And then there's a break until 4:30, which we start serving again. The bar is open all the way up until 9 p.m. We take our last dinner order at 8:30 p.m. We have a full drink menu, and then we offer specials for lunch and dinner every day.
We also have a great brunch on Saturday and Sunday.
Yes.
So, and we do really highly recommend reservations because our restaurant does serve the public also.
Yes.
Our brunches are very popular.
Well, and another thing is you have a day pass. So if you're not sadly staying here, but you're staying somewhere else on the island,
Yes.
you do offer day passes for the beach, right?
We do.
And
We do.
you have wonderful beach attendants. You'll get to meet Jordan later.
Yes.
Yes.
Great beach attendance. We're really proud of our staff, to be honest. We feel that we have really friendly people that are happy to be here and really want you to have a good time. So
Yeah, and the restaurant
that's so
staff
important.
too. Just
Thank you.
Thank you.
fantastic.
Yeah.
Everyone,
Thank you so much.
everyone.
Thank you.
And the food's so good too.
Thank you.
Thank you. I know that's why I got this spelling here.
One thing about the restaurant, just to clarify, the restaurant doesn't have breakfast, so we offer fresh local baked goods as well as cheese and hard-boiled eggs, so juice, coffee, so
Yeah, the
nice
coffee's
continental.
essential for my job.
Gotta have it. Gotta have it.
You have so many water sports things that are included as well. So tell us.
Absolutely. We've got 2 pools. The pool out by the ocean, which has a beautiful view of the water, and then a more private pool across the street. It is clothing optional if you choose to, but it's not mandatory over there. And then we've got kayak, snorkeling equipment, and we've got double kayaks, so if a couple wants a nice romantic,
Yeah.
we call it the divorce kayak though, because sometimes you get little arguments on it, but it's fun. But you got to make sure who's going to paddle first in the back.
And what's so great about our property is we really are situated right on the beach, and our beach is, the water is very calm. It's almost like we're on a bay.
Yeah.
So you can get in, you can swim very easily. Snorkeling is incredible. You can be out there just for hours and not realize
Yeah.
it. Another great thing that people love to do is hunting for sea glass.
Yes.
We have a lot of sea glass, and we call it cheney, pieces of porcelain that wash up on our shore. People love to just explore and go hunting for that all day.
Chris and Ted were all smiles as they shared the updates, renovations, and services they now offer at the resort. We definitely had a relaxing time on our last visit here to Sandcastle on the Beach. Thanks so much for joining me here today. If you'd like more travel tips and information, you can also sign up for my monthly newsletter. The links are below. And for more information on how to book a reservation at Sandcastle on the Beach, I'll also include the links for that too. Remember, it's always an adventure when you travel with Wendy. Ciao!